Thanks for joining Sunday Scoops. We do hope you enjoy our presentation. Visit our websites at yardmedia.com and yardabroad.com and pick up some of our merchandise. And hey, enjoy the show.
Now, one of the things about this song is that it was done in Jamaica as a Jamaica release. And interestingly, how the universe is conspiring with Marcia Griffith in terms of the development of her career.
Right.
One of the persons to sing backup on Young, Gifted and Black was no other than Judy Mowat, who she would join up with later on along with Rita Anderson,
right.
and become the I3s for Bob Marley's backup band. But when they went to England with this song, it was marketed, they actually remixed it and added the strings there for it to, to bridge the gap.
United Kingdom audience.
Right, that was more into classical music and that kind of thing there. This became a monster hit. According to Bob Andy, they had white audiences dancing and singing Young, Gifted and Black. Can you imagine? That's how much of a monster crossover this song is. To have white people singing that they're Young, Gifted and Black.
But, well, one of the things with the music, again, that's why Britain became the single most important outpost as far as the marketing and the movement of Jamaican music was concerned. Without the white audience, you really would have gotten nowhere. You have to pay homage to people like Prince Buster, though, who would have been the people who opened the gate from the early stage.
Yes.
Also have to pay homage as well to people like Chris Blackwell,
yes,
who helped to open this door. We can argue, people make
the argument rub up and
the
whatever it is, don't matter.
So on. But the
They
bottom
gave
line,
Jamaican music its audience.
They opened the door.
Yeah. And they were fastidious and persistent in making the world know about the music.
Absolutely.
So we have to give them
the
that
rest
credit.
is up to the artist and the artist management,
yes,
to take advantage of the path that has been laid out for you. But the song was big. They followed that up with there was another compilation, combination,
Piper.
the Pied Piper. We want to give the listeners a taste of that as well.
The Yard Media crew invites you to hop on over to our website at www.yardmedia.com. There you can view our video presentations in bite-sized segments, or you can binge watch at your leisure. It's Jamaican music history like you've never experienced before. The music and the stories behind the music. Go ahead, indulge and enjoy.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.